What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Where was she raised? Where did she raise her? Came from the grave, and now she chased paper. PGT, 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 pretty yellow girl, never leave that shit.
So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a natural makeup look. I don't really do this too often, and I'm trying some new things today, okay? So just stick with me. So I was watching this video about your skin, about like how you should treat different parts of your face differently. I promise this is gonna tie into the video, okay? So I have combination skin, so like this part of my face is like oily, more oily than the rest, and like this part is dry. So I decided I was gonna use like a primer for oily skin, like in my T-zone, and then like put like a hydrating one on the rest. So that's what I'm gonna do today. That's new. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. hydrating primer that I always use. I'm gonna put it on my cheeks. And then I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I'm gonna use it on my T-zone. I'm actually not really sure if this is for oily skin, but like whenever I use it, it makes my face like really matte. So I'm gonna assume that it's for oily skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with this brow pencil. I think it's from Maybelline. I used it in the video about how I do my eyebrows. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, make sure you go look at that video. I'm probably gonna put it in the, you know, the cards. Okay, I'm back and my eyebrows are done. While I was doing them, I was kind of thinking maybe I want to use like a different primer on my nose, like one for pores, and I have one. So this is the Benefit POREfessional primer. So I'm just gonna put it on top of the Smashbox primer. I don't know if that's like too much primer, but I'm gonna try it anyway. We trying new things today. I kind of had planned to use this and I forgot. So I'm just putting it on now. And it smells really good. I got this a long time ago though. So next, I kind of figured I wanted it to be like glowy since it's gonna be natural. So I'm gonna put this liquid highlighter on my face too. This is also new, but we're gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna use the Covergirl Super Stunner liquid highlighter. I also got this a while ago. It's in the shade 200 Bronze Stunner. So I'm just gonna put it on like the high points of my face. I'm not gonna rub it in too much because I want the foundation to like, you know, have it shine through. Okay, so next I'm gonna use the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in the shade 57S Rich Sand. This is my favorite foundation. I'm also using a different foundation brush. I was kind of watching some videos and I saw people using this brush and it kind of like blended out the foundation better than, you know, the regular flat top foundation brush. So I'm gonna try that today too. I don't really want to use like a whole bunch since it's supposed to be natural. You know, I'm doing natural for you guys today. I'm going natural. I like how this looks. Like I kind of almost feel like I don't even have to put like highlighter on. What do y'all think? I like it. So I think I'm just gonna put concealer like under my eyes only, because I don't want this to be like super complicated. I want this to be like beginner friendly, you know? Okay. So now I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and I'm gonna put it right under my eyes like you always see me do. Oh, except this time I'm gonna put like a little bit. I'm not gonna put a lot because I want this to be natural like I said. So I'm only putting like, what is it? 4? I'm only putting 4 lines, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna contour just a little bit. I have a shade that's only a little bit darker than my skin tone because I don't want this to be like super dramatic. I want it to be natural. So I'm gonna use this brush. It's like angled a little bit. You see that? You could barely see that. Okay, so change of plans. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'm gonna put that underneath this, and then I'm gonna use the powder to like soften it up, okay? Okay, so now I'm taking the powder and I'm just gonna go over it. Okay, so I'm gonna use this blush that I have from Colourpop. It's the Super Shock Cheek in the shade Avalon. Okay, it's not gonna focus, I know. It's okay. So I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. It's kind of dirty, I'm sorry. That looks like a highlighter, does it not? It's not really that pigmented. But it's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some mascara. You know, my favorite Benefit Back Out Bang. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Next, and finally, I'm gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madelaine, I think. Yeah, Madelaine. Just for like a nude look. I'm not gonna use a lip liner or anything. I'm just gonna use this. And then on top, I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Fenty Glow. And then I'm going to put some highlighter on my Cupid's bow just to make it glow even more. It's a very glowy look today. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Hey, it's me, I'm back again. So, the next video is going to be a haul, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that. If you're interested, it's going to be Pretty Little Thing and Fashion Nova. So, subscribe. Bye.